What's up, crypto family? This is CryptoWolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you all the opportunities that crypto provides. Today we will be discussing two important airdrops that you don't want to miss out because one of them can be really big. So make sure that you watch this closely, this video, because I will share with you every detail you need to know. Step by step we will take a look on how you can claim these airdrops. So let's not waste time and let's get into the video. The first big airdrop is the JunoSwap DEX is airdropping their RAW token. I already showed you in a previous video on how to do this, but today you can claim it. So you should claim it right away. If we go to the downside, we will see right here, the RAW Genesis claim is now open. So we click onto RAW DAO zone. Once we come right here, we click onto airdrop on the upside. Once we have clicked there, we will see our RAW airdrop. You have only 29 days left to claim your airdrop. So the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet to claim right here. Once you have done that, you will see, for my part, already claimed tokens for this wallet. But if you didn't claim it already, it will show you that you can claim. You just click another button and it's claimed. That's all what you need to do. But now, from here on, close this. Then we will see we can also stake and vote. I would recommend everyone try to vote on a proposal if there is one. On this moment, we can see completed, open. Alright, this one is open. So I'm going to propose onto this one. I will take you through the process. So, alright, I cannot vote on the proposal because I have not staked some tokens. So I will stake some tokens right away and take you through the process of staking this airdrop. So you can see my balance. This is what I received as an airdrop. And now I will stake those tokens. So we click onto manage. And then we choose stake. And I'm just going to do 10%. Let's just make it easy. Let's do 200. No, I'm going to take it very easy because I'm only selling half once I know the price of this one. So I'm going to do 450 stake. Just confirm this. I take the lowest fee. Just click approve right here. I'm confirming this into my ledger. For everyone who doesn't have a ledger, check the link in my description and go get yourself one. Make sure you're protected. You can see in staking period 2 weeks, 14 days. So if you want to sell, once we know the price of RAW, on this moment we cannot sell this token, but if you want to sell it, I would recommend to not stake your full amount. Otherwise you cannot sell if you want to sell. If you don't want to sell, just stake the full amount. But I had some previous airdrops. If you followed my channel, I didn't sell them. I just staked them and everyone sold them and they are now down like min 90% or something. So that's also something we don't want. So that's why I'm staking half and other half we can sell. Alright? So that was it for this airdrop. Just gonna look if I can vote now. If you click onto this, stake, yes, I'm already staking, so what you're saying. Let's go up, rate of voids, passed, open. Let's do refresh. Well, I will come back a later time because I just staked right away, so maybe it will take some time to update. So I'm just gonna close this off. Let's close this, yes. Now I go to my Capra wallet, click onto settings, click manage connections, and I just close this connection that I have. Alright. So now we have a second airdrop, Decentralized DNS. So you can compare this with Ethereum name service, but this is from Juno. This is a decentralized name service. So as you can see right here, if you click onto the tweet, assuming Unity passes, a snapshot will be taken during the Unity upgrade. May the 4th be with you. 4th May. This is tomorrow. So take action today if you want to set yourself up for this upcoming airdrop. As you can see right here. May the 4th be with you. May 4th, snapshot, May 4th. And that's the day the Unity upgrade will happen in Juno network if Pro 20 passes with a yes, as it will. The question now is it snapshot for staking Juno, owning a Juno name service, or voting on the Prop 20? So the first thing I'm going to do is go vote on Prop 20. I will show you how to do that. We just go to Juno Dispersed Network. Once we come onto this, I log in with my Kepler. Yes. Then we go to governance. Then we check Unity proposal. It's passed. So it's already passed. We are too late for that. Yes, we are too late. It's passed. We cannot vote anymore. So we couldn't vote anymore. It's passed already. So we are going to decentralized name service. Yes, click onto that. Let's go. So now, let's take a look where we need to be. So now we just click onto this website. Then I will register one myself, but you can also transfer, edit, or burn a name that you own. Or you can look up addresses and explore registered names. Let's say CryptoWolf. Let's see if someone has that. As you can see, CryptoWolf is available. So let's register that name. Let's go back. Register. Yes. Connect. All right. Approve. Find the name. So I'm just going to do I am CryptoWolf. All right. Mint your new ID. Tip to generate a PF URL uses service like Pinata. The mint cost for this token is 1 Juno. Alright. Pinata, your home, boom, 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 boom. We'll check this out later, this one. So we have name, bio, image, email. Alright, so we can find everything we want right here. We can link it to this name. Yes. Alright. So the name that I want to do is I'm CryptoWolf. Let's put this aside. Yes, I'm CryptoWolf. Just fill in everything you want right here. Just gonna add my Twitter and that's it. For the rest, I will take a look at it later. I will not do this right away. Alright, create username. Below, approve. Now I have to confirm this into Ledger. Approved. This takes a while. Yeah, it doesn't work. I know why. I don't have enough Juno. So first of all, I will get that to my wallet very quick. So now that I have fixed it, I have my Juno. Let's try it again. Create username. Yes, I'm gonna choose average. That it just goes faster and more smooth. So if sometimes something doesn't work, you can do average or high transaction fee. Sometimes that works. Alright, it's done. So it worked. You can see the name, public name, Twitter, and that's all the things we need to see right here. So now that I have set myself up for the upcoming airdrop, I will keep you updated if something happens, yes or no. Let's take a look right here what they're saying on the Twitter. Nothing special for now. This looks really interesting. Definitely interesting things, and as I said before, I'm very bullish onto Juno. If we look at the price today, the price is really bad today, but in my opinion, this is a very good buying opportunity. As you can see, we have a little bit bounce back up. We came from $10, so at this moment, it's really a very cheap discount on Juno. I think we will also find support right here on this moment. So let's see what it gives in the future. But in my opinion, this is a very good moment, to get into Juno if you're not in already. Alright, that was it for today. I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.